Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. In today's video tip, I'm going to show you 5 sailing safety tips that will help you and your crew stay safe throughout the sailing season. Lifeline gates are openings in lifelines that provide an easy method to get to and from a pier. Pelican hook bails can pop open from vibration or failure. As soon as you cast off, tape over pelican hook bails with rigging or waterproof electrical tape. This keeps bails in place while you are underway. Your sailing shackles all have one common weakness, that is the shackle pin. Pins can back out through vibration or lack of tightness. Thread nylon wire ties or seizing wire through the hole in the end of the pin, wrap it around the shackle body, and cut off the excess tie or wire. This keeps the shackle pin in place in any kind of sailing weather. Use different colored lines for reefing, halyard, or sail trim control lines. This will make sail handling easier day or night or in heavy weather conditions. Install extra grab rails above and below deck. Grab rails help you maintain balance and keep you aboard. Below decks, you use them to move fore and aft and brace yourself when heeling or pitching. As an alternate, you could install handicap grab rails below decks. Find these in hardware supply warehouses or medical supply stores. You can cover them with rope fancy work to make them beautiful and efficient. Before you cast off to go on a coastal or offshore sailing trip, string jacklines between the bow cleats and stern cleats. Jacklines are long lengths of rope, wire, or webbing that provide a continuous attachment point to keep you on the boat when you need to go forward to raise or lower sails or work on sailing gear. It's best to use flat webbing instead of rope or wire rope. It feels better underfoot and you won't roll around on it. Now let's take a look at a quick summary of the 5 ways we can make our sailboat safer. Tape over lifeline gate bails as soon as you get underway. Use rigging tape or waterproof electrical tape. Lash or mouse shackle pins to the body of the shackle. Use plastic wire ties or seizing wire. Color code sail control lines. This makes sail handling easy even in trying conditions like heavy weather or nighttime. Add grab rails where needed topside and below. You can choose handicap grab rails to save costs. Cover them with rope fancy work for a better grip. Run jacklines from the bow to the stern on both sides of your boat. Check your jacklines often, remove the slack, and clip onto the upwind jackline to move fore and aft on your sailboat. Now you know 5 ways to keep you and your crew safe and sound aboard your small sailboat. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.